Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you how to simply add drop shadow to your clip in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, you have your video clip in the timeline, just like what you see right here. So this particular video here, I want to add a little bit drop shadow to this video. So how do you do that? Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to your effects tabs. So go ahead and come to the top to the sidebar right here, and then make sure you click on visual effects tab. So once you click on visual effects tab, you have all the effects right here in your Camtasia video editing software. So what we are interested to you right here is drop shadow. Go ahead and select on drop shadow, then drag and drop your drop shadow on the video clip. Once you drag and drop, then you have the property of shadow right here. Then you can adjust the shadow. You can decide to increase the shadow ratio or opacity. You can improve the blur. So the more you drag, the more you see the effect of the shadow right here. You can change the position of the shadow with the angle right here. So you can make it to the center angle. You can make it to the side top angle. You can also change the color of the shadow. Click on here and then choose whatever color of your choice right here. So if I decide to zoom out, you see that this particular shadow here has been added to the